did a thing. You know how I said I was gonna get a sister for my maple ruin? This gorgeous girl here. Remember when I was showing her, I said I'm gonna get her sister. Well, I did. So I'm gonna show you her sister right now. But hello, I'm Victoria, and this is a contemporary handbag channel. If you have been here before, thank you so much for coming back. If this is the first time you're seeing me, welcome in. I really appreciate you checking me out, and I hope you like the content that I give on this channel, and I really hope that you stay. So this is gonna be a real short video. I'm just gonna show you my girl here, and at the end, I have a small surprise too. Okay, real quick, okay? We all know what this bag looks like. Uh, so I I had called my receipt. I had called my store in Connecticut. Remember how I said I have two outlet stores near me. One is in Massachusetts, which is about half hour, 25 minutes to a half hour away. And then the Connecticut store is between an hour, 15 minutes away from me. So I called both stores, um, and they both said they didn't have it. And I don't know why this keeps happening to me, but then a day later they said, oh, we have it, because I was gonna order online, but with Coach sometimes you order, it takes, you know, we know sometimes it takes too long, and I refuse to pay for expedited shipping. When I shop retail, my SA always gives me the expedited shipping. I don't pay for that. He always just gives it to me. But when I buy from the outlet, I don't get that. Even when I ask, they say they don't do that. So there's that. Oh, there she is. She's so cute. Anywho, so I was gonna order from the website. It was just a matter of finding the time to just do it, and then I got a phone call again saying, oh, we have them. We have the black one. So I said, put one on hold, please. That was yesterday. And it did. And I went over there and I picked her up. And there she is. There she is. There she is. This bag is stunning. Oh, of course she's stuffed. She's very hard. But let me take all this stuff out of her and see if she's as squishy as her sister. Actually, I know she is, because in the store yesterday, I played around with one of them. So, I'm doing this very messily, so but I like all this stuff that they give me, because I told you before that I reuse these when I'm done with a bag. I use them to stuff my bags. I do use bag pillows as well, but I do have a lot of bags, friends. Like most of us. Ooh, I'm not doing this gently here. Okay. Yep. Oh, you know, another reason I wanted the black one, I'll tell you why. Because I have the signature, the walnut signature Rowan, and I have that black, C's with the embossed C Rowan. So I can use this strap with those two bags. The brown signature walnut one does have the, you know, the walnut color, the brown color, but it also got, I can use the black strap with with that one as well. I always use a black strap with that one because it does have a black strap. So this works so well for all. See now, see why I needed this bag? Because she has this shorter strap. This is very, so for cost per wear, because I'm going to use this strap with all of those other bags, the two that I just mentioned. So yeah, she's so cute. Yep, she's the squishy one. Let's see. Yep. Oh, this bag is, oh, so nice. Love her. And that's the unboxing. That's her, friends. She's so pretty. So pretty. And let me show you the surprise. Well, yeah, surprise. So hold please. So I've got this, the Kiss Lock Barrel bag in the, this pebble leather. This bag is stunning. Okay, this bag is stunning, adorable, incredible, so soft. Yeah, so I got her yesterday along with that one. So stopped at the retail store, picked up this girl, and then went to my outlet store and grabbed my other girl. So this is the Kiss Lock Barrel bag. I also have this bag in the the chocolate. That's the color. That's what it's called, chocolate. So and that was my bag of the day yesterday. And this bag, I will do a review. I haven't done a review on the chocolate one, so I'll do a review on these bags. The capacity is really good. It's large. I had so much stuff in my work bag yesterday. She was my work bag yesterday, the chocolate one. And so she also needed a sister. So we got her. So she's got a sister, and this one's got a sister, and that is it. And that's my unboxing, friends. I will be doing a bag review on these bags soon. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you, if you have time, please check out the video that's going to be coming after this one, okay? All right, thank you. Bye-bye now.